Good morning, children. All my dear first class little gems. How are you all? Have you taken your breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast? Did you drink milk? Did you drink milk? Milk is a complete food. Don't forget it. You have to drink milk every day and add Complan or Horlicks or Bournvita. Okay, children? Are you drink milk? Okay, drink milk, amma. Milk is complete food. You are grown up children. You need more milk. Okay, and for growth of your height, you need more milk. You have to drink milk twice a day. Are you drink milk? Okay, children. Okay, coming to the lesson. Did you listen the fourth lesson? What is the name of fourth lesson? Animals around us. Already lesson explanation completed, no children? Did you listen? Did you watch the video? Okay, what is the name of lesson number 4? Animals around us. Okay, what are the animals you see around your house? Only dog, sometimes cat, okay, and sometimes buffalo. Only few animals. Okay, we are watching only few animals around our houses and schools. Why? Because we are spend most of the time in our home only, no children. Yes, children. So that's why we did not see many more animals. Some birds, yes, birds like crow and parrot. Only few birds we are watching every day. Is it clear? So what are the big animals, ma? Do you know animals? You have to see some videos. Ask your mom or dad to show videos of animals. Okay, will you ask your mother? Will you ask your father? Ask your mother or father or brother to show big animals and small animals. Okay, in television or smartphone. Is it clear? So what are the big animals? Lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal, no children? Yes, it has trunk and tusks. Okay, దంతాలు ఉంటాయి కదా, 7 దంతాలు and తొండ ఉంటుంది కదా. So biggest animal is the elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a long trunk and white long tusks. Okay, so giraffe has long neck. Giraffe and lion, tiger, zebra, horse. These are all the big animals. What are the small animals, amma? Do you know what are the small animals? Fox, dog, cat are the small animals. What are very small animals? Very small animals are called insects. Okay, butterfly, housefly, mosquito, okay, ant, bedbug, grasshopper. These are all the very small animals. Okay, so open the textbook, amma. If you have textbook, open page number 26. Open textbook page number 26. Here they given animals, amma. What are the names of the animals here? They are asking. Okay, write the names of the animals. Is it a buffalo or cow? It is a cow. What is the name of this bird? What is the name of this fish? Okay, write names, amma. Okay, write name. First one name cow. Okay, first one cow. C-O-W, cow. Write along with me. Open the textbook and write along with me. Next, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Next one, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay, these are all the animals. Okay, they given in the textbook. Now open the textbook page number 27. 27 they given some missing letters are given, amma. What is the spelling of elephant? E-L-E. What is the spelling of elephant, amma? E-L-E. P-H-A-N-T, elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? E-L-E. P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So next, lion spelling. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. What is the spelling of peacock? P-E-A. Already you have to learn to new KG, children. Once recall spelling P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. What is the spelling of horse, amma? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay, that is the spelling of horse. Okay, Here they given a puzzle box. Here animal names are there. If you have textbook, write all these. Okay, here they given animals names: dog, cat, cock, okay, duck, fish, and deer. Okay, sheep, lion. Okay, and elephant, giraffe. Okay, elephant and camel. Elephant. This is the elephant. This is the camel. Okay, and lion, deer. Okay, and sheep. Okay na, and yes, this is the sheep amma. Okay, sheep. Okay, and a duck, and this is the fish and a cock. Okay, cat and dog. You have to write okay, you have to complete this puzzle. Okay na, see this animal name, see the animals and write the animal names. Okay, identify the names of the animals from this box. Is it clear? Okay. Next, open page number. Yes, children. Animals that live in the different places. No, children. Some animals live on the land. Which animals live on the land? Yesterday I said no. Lion, giraffe. Yes, children. Some animal. Most of the animals live on the land. Which animals live on the land? Lion, giraffe, deer, fox, cow, goat, zebra, horse. These animals live on the land. We do walk on the land. We do run on the land. Vehicles move on the land. Okay, some animals also move on the land. Which animals live in the water? Fish live in the water. Octopus, jellyfish, blue whale, dolphin. These animals live in the water. Which animals live on the trees? Birds live on the trees. No, children. Squirrels, birds. Okay, and monkey also live on the trees. Monkeys and squirrels spend most of the time on the trees for food, for searching the food, for eating the food. They live on the trees. Okay, which animals live in the water and on the land? Frog live in the water and on the land. And crocodile also live in the water and live on the land. Okay, write all these amma. Okay, here they given land animals and water animals. Okay, giraffe, zebra, is it a land animal? Is it live on the land or in the water? Zebra live on the land. That's why you have to keep L. Okay na? So rabbit live on the land. Rabbit also live on the land. That's why you have to keep L letter. Okay, octopus live in the water. Yes. And birds live on the trees. No, children. Birds live on the trees. That's why you have to keep T. Okay, and fish live in the water. That's why you have to keep water, W. Monkey live on the trees. That's why you have to keep T letter. Okay, zebra land. Okay, rabbit lives on the land. Okay, octopus live in the water. Birds live on the trees, T. Fish live in the water, W. Okay, monkey live on the trees, T. You have to keep T letter. Is it clear, amma? Okay, land animals. If the animal is land, okay, you have to keep the letter L. Water animals, you have to keep the letter W. Okay, na? And okay, insects are very small animals, amma. Some insects crawl. Which insects crawl on the ground? Ant, bedbug crawl on the ground. Okay, ant, bedbug crawl on the ground. Okay, grasshopper and butterfly can fly. No, children. So insects have how many legs? Insects have 6 legs. Okay, these two insects, ant and bedbug, crawl on the ground, creep on the ground. And see here, butterfly and grasshopper, they have wings. They have wings for flying. Which insects for flying? Okay, insects like grasshopper, butterfly, bees, moths. These insects can fly. They have wings. See, these are wings. These are wings. Okay, wings help them to fly. Fishes have fins. See here, ma. These are the fins. This is the fin. This is the fin. This is the tail. This is the eye, mouth part. Fishes have fins which help them to swim in the water. Birds have wings. Wings help them to fly. Okay, can you fly? No, we can't fly. Yes, children? Okay, insects can fly. Birds can fly with the help of wings. These are the wings. Wings help them to fly. See here, fins. Okay, fishes have fins, sides of the body, which are present at the sides of the body. Fins help the fish to swim in the water. So these are all. These two are the insects. These two are the insects. This is the fish. Fish live in the water. Okay. So okay. See, color the animals which fly. Which animals can fly? See here, fish can fly? No. Okay, butterfly can fly? Yes. That's why you have to keep tick. Okay na. And birds. Okay, is it fly? Yes, it is fly. Okay, cow, is it fly? No. Okay, so from these four animals, which animals are flying? Butterfly and birds can fly. That's why you have to keep tick. Okay, children, fish can't fly, cow can't fly. Birds and butterfly can fly. Next page number 31 open number. Page number 31. Yes, they given help box for you. They given help box for you. Okay, now from the okay, you have to take help from the box. Okay, now so birds have dash to fly. Birds have wings to fly. Birds have wings to fly. Okay, what is the right option here? This is the first answer. Birds have wings. Wings spelling W-I-N-G-S, wings. Okay na? How many wings they have, ma? They have two wings. Some insects have one pair of wings. Some insects have two pairs of wings. Okay na? So birds have wings and the insects also have wings. Birds have a pair of wings, two wings only. Wings help them to fly. Okay, insects, some insects crawl on the ground, but some insects have wings. Wings help them to fly like a bird. Okay, now insects are very small animals, no children. That's why they can fly in the air. Okay, now we can't fly. Okay, animals too can't fly. We have heavy weight of the body. Okay, and see the next one. Dash the biggest animal. What is the biggest? Dash is a big animal. What is the biggest animal? It has a trunk. It has long tusks. Which is the what is that? What is that? Yes, you are right. Elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal. Spelling Elma ELEPHANT. Elephant. So elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a trunk. It has a trunk. It has a long white color tusks. Actually, those are the teeth of elephant. Okay, so elephant is the biggest land animal. Insects have how many legs, amma? Now insects. No, insects have how many legs? 6 legs. Okay, insects have 6 legs. Okay, SIX 6. Dash live in the water. Which animals live in the water? Which is live in the water? Fish can live in the water. So which is the live in the water? Fish live in the water. Okay, and page number 32 open amma. Page number 32. They are asking examples. See the board. Big animals. What are the big animals? Will you tell? What are the big animals? Elephant. Yes, children. Elephant. 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 And also tell me one more animal. Horse also big animal. Giraffe also big animal. Okay na? And write horse. 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 Okay. Horse. What are the big animals, amma? Horse, zebra, giraffe, elephant. You have to write any 2 examples. It is your wish. Okay na? So horse, giraffe, okay, and elephant also big animals. What is the next question? See here, next question. Water animals. What are the examples of water animals? Tell me 2 examples of water animals. You know well. Fish live in the water. Tell me one other example. Tell me one other example. Yes, octopus, jellyfish, starfish, blue whale, dolphin. All these are all the water animals. Okay, write only 2. Okay, fish live in the water. Okay, fish live in the water. And also tell me one more. Octopus. OCTO, octopus, octopus. These are the water animals. Octopus and fish are the water animals. Which animals live on the land and in the water? Yes, you are right. Which animals live on the land and in the water? Just now you saw, children. These 2 animals live on the land and as well as in the water. So these, okay, crocodile and frog live on the land and also in the water. Okay, now. So what is the answer here? Land and water. Frog, 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 and crocodile, CROCODILE. crocodile and also frog live in the water and on the land. Tree animals. What is the next question? Tree animals. Tree means which animals live on the trees? Tell me one example. You know well. Monkey. Yes children, monkey live on the land. Okay, squirrel, monkey live on the land. Yes children, monkey and squirrel. Okay, okay, squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Monkey and squirrel live on the trees. Okay, what is the next? Okay, come on, tell me. Big animals ma, elephant and horse. What are water animals? Fish and octopus. Number of animals are there, but you have to learn only two. Okay, and the land and water animals: frog, crocodile. What is the next question? Tree animals. Which animals live on the trees, amma? Monkey always live on the trees. Okay, okay, to find the food. Okay, for eating food. Okay, monkey live on the trees. Squirrels also eat fruits, no children? Guavas. Squirrels also eat all kinds of fruits, no? That's why squirrel, uduta, and monkey always live on the trees. Okay, monkey. Okay, tree animals, monkey and squirrel. Is it clear? Okay, you got it now all these? Yes. Next, okay, go to matching, amma. Okay, matching is also there, amma. Right, matching. I will show pictures for you. Yes. See here, big animal. What is the big animal from this box, amma? Big animal. Here they given lion. Okay, and small animal. Here they given cat. Okay, cat. Okay, bee. Okay, what is the next one? Bird. Crow is there. Okay, bird, crow. Okay, and E. Third key. Okay, second key D. Third one. Okay, third one. Small animal. Second one. Okay, cat. Bird, crow. Bird, crow. And fourth one, insect. Insect. They given one insect only here. Okay, and the fifth one, water animal. That is the fish. I will show you. I will show to the matching. See here, big animal. Okay, what is the big animal? Lion. Small animal, cat, bird, crow. Insect. Insect here they given housefly. And water animal. What is the water animal here? Fish. Okay children. See here, amma, who am I? Who am I? What is this? What is this fish? So who am I? Okay, I am a fish. Right here, fish. Okay, page number 33. Right, amma, who am I? I live in the water. Who am I? Fish. I live in the water. Who am I? Fish. See second question. I live on the land and in the water. Who am I? Crocodile. Okay, next I have a long neck. Third question, see, I have a long neck. Who am I? Giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. Is it clear children? Okay, Namma? Okay children, you have to read the textbook today. Bye. See you later.